Make your cabinet hardware installation easy. Take the stress out of drilling for pulls and knobs and enjoy perfect results every time. Simply adjust the jig to the desired location, tighten the thumb screws, and you're ready to drill any drawer front or door. Over 25 years of proven accuracy. The only jig made and true calibrated in the U.S. With over 1,500 5-star reviews on Amazon.com, see why True Position Tools is the #1 rated and #1 selling jig on the market. Rapid drawer front centering and attachments for pulls up to 38 inches in length make this the only cabinet hardware jig you'll ever need. Durable build features precision machined aluminum, laser engraved rulers, and hardened steel bushings, all backed by a precision guarantee. Don't risk ruining your cabinets. Go with the brand trusted by professionals. Get yours today at TruePositionTools.com.